Hi there, my name's Adam Hessler, and I will be walking you through how to create your first engager. In here we have the Create a New Engager button, but just for your reference, along the top we have Upgrade, which allows you to go and choose a plan for your event, as well as some other options, which we'll get into in other videos. Creating your first engager involves just going in and picking the engager type that you want to use, and then creating some sort of friendly name for the back end here. Then click Save. Once you click Save, you are into the actual engager creation area. There are 4 different screens going down the left-hand side. Each screen has text boxes that you can enter text into, and also picture areas along the top for potentially logos, and then on the side for some sort of storytelling type of picture. Once you upload a picture, you can resize it as well as reposition where the logo fits into that little window, and then click Save. The welcome screen is used as like an enticement page, and then the storytelling page is more about bringing people into that context of why are they here. And then you have the engager task. So in this case, it is the selfie. We will be doing other videos on all the specifics of each type of engager. With the selfie, we are showing that we have a banner layout, a 1-speaker layout, a 2-speaker layout, and a solo layout. And each layout comes with some text boxes that you can fill in underneath the pictures as well as underneath the main frame. With the special offer page, this is where maybe you've got a sponsor and you want them to be able to promote something of offer on another page, or maybe you want to send them the attendees out to go and be able to book a meeting with them. All of this can be done by entering in the text you want for that button as well as the URL. Special offer page and the storytelling page come with on-off switches. So you can turn off those pages, meaning they will not be seen by the attendee. This little icon shows you the text explaining that case. The welcome screen also comes with a switch to allow you to switch between a QR code, which is great if you're using this, say, for a Zoom meeting, where you are showing this screen, and a start button if you've got this embedded. Also, we allow for multiple plays, so if that is checked, then you will actually see, or the attendees will be able to play multiple times. Under the reports, you'll see various different data. So for key metrics, you'll see the number of participants, those are the total number of people that played. Number of players is the total number of people that finished the task, and then downloads of the results screen image, the emails that they've sent to themselves of those images, the number of views of the special offers, the number of clicks on that offer, and then obviously the calculation of the click-through rate and the time that they spent on viewing that game. You also have the option to be able to download these results as PDF or CSV file. And then on the ranking tab, you have the full list of participants, and depending on what type of engager, will fill you in on the completion or the amount of time that they spent using the engager. On the right-hand side, we have the different layouts for the different colors, as well as our new custom color layout, where you can select a specific color with the gradient or enter in a hex code. We have both the primary color, which is really that background color, and the secondary color, which is the outlining and the text colors. And then going up to the top, we have the Save button. So great to save your work every page, I find. We also have the Share, so you can click on the copy to get the share link directly for attendees, or the organizer's link, which goes out to this screen that I'm about to show you in a moment, where you can actually view the presentation page, which is where you would actually share your screen, say in a Zoom meeting. And that's what you're seeing here now. That's everything to do with creating your first engager. I welcome any questions. Feel free to reach out to us. And we look forward to seeing what you create. Have an amazing day.